Have you ever looked at a beautiful mandala and thought, I wish I could create something like that, but I'm just not creative enough? Or maybe you've told yourself it's probably too difficult. I don't have an artistic background, maybe this is only for talented people. If that's what you've been thinking, I want you to stay with me for just a few minutes because this isn't really about learning mandala art. It's about rediscovering a part of yourself that life slowly made you forget. Somewhere along the way, many of us stopped having hobbies, right? Life became about responsibilities, taking care of our families, meeting deadlines, thinking about everyone else, next meal, the next meeting, the next responsibility. And before we even realize it, months and years go by. We spend hours scrolling through social media, admiring what other people create, what quietly convincing ourselves I could never do that. I know that feeling. Hi, I'm Nandini. Most people know me as a mandala artist from Cosmic Mandalas NM, but very few know what happens behind the scenes. What many people don't know is that I find it difficult to even write a simple sentence with my right hand. Every single dot I paint, every brush stroke I create needs the support of my other hand. It makes everything slower, it demands patience, and some days it's genuinely challenging. I could have spent my life focusing on everything I couldn't do. Instead, I made a different choice, a choice to celebrate what I could do. And somewhere along the journey, mandala became so much more than an art form. It became my quiet place. For that 1 hour, I wasn't thinking about my limitations. I wasn't thinking about tomorrow. I wasn't comparing myself with anyone else. I was just simply present, dot by dot, stroke by stroke. Mandala didn't magically remove every challenge from my life, but it changed something much more important. It changed the way I looked at myself. It taught me patience. It taught me resilience. It taught me to stop chasing perfection and start appreciating progress. Today, when someone joins my workshop and says, I'm not creative, I've never held a dotting tool before, I don't think I can do this, I smile because I've heard those exact words from so many beginners, including myself. And I watched those some people finish their very first mandala with tears of joy, pride, and disbelief. They look at their own artwork and say, did I really make this? That's my favorite moment because this workshop was never created just to teach dots and patterns. I created it to help people discover something much bigger: confidence, patience, self belief, the courage to try something new, the joy of creating something with their own hands. This workshop is designed specially for complete beginners. You don't need any artistic background. You don't need expensive materials. You don't need perfect hands. You don't even need confidence. You only need the willingness to begin. I'll guide you through every step, every dot, every brushstroke, every question, and every little victory along the way. You learn the fundamentals of dot mandala art in a simple, structured, beginner friendly way. I'll share the techniques, tips, and shortcuts that I've learned through years of practice so you build a strong foundation instead of just copying one design. And whenever you feel stuck, you'll never feel like you're learning alone. I'm always there to guide you because I genuinely believe that learning should feel encouraging, not intimidating. If you've ever been waiting for the right time, if you've been telling yourself maybe someday, or if you've simply been looking for something that's yours, maybe this is your sign. Your first mandala may not just become your first artwork. It might become the first time in a long time that you surprise yourself because confidence doesn't come before you begin, it grows because you begin. I'd love to welcome you into my beginner friendly dot mandala workshop and walk you through this journey. Come, let's create something beautiful together, not just on the canvas, but within yourself. Comment below and I will share the details to enroll. That's it from now. Thank you.